Because only with this video, kaba metumaka na share button. Happy 1-year anniversary celebration to Mathias and Igbo Menana lubrication plant Hanwe in Abuja. Also, happy 1-year anniversary to Motor Manufacturing Company. Mathias na Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to steel industry. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor in Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to noodles manufacturing company. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to Skill Acquisition Center. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to recreational facility. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to Taos Manufacturing Factory. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to Aluminium Fabrication Factory. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to Furniture Making Company. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. Happy 1-year anniversary to Mechanic Workshop. Mathias and Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor na Abuja. As you people celebrate your 1-year anniversary this Sunday, I wish you people to continue growing from strength to strength, continue opening factories from one state to the other until you successfully open factory in 36 states in Nigeria. I want to also use this opportunity to congratulate you people for your headquarters of your steel industry and all the other factories you have set up in Mpo, in Port Harcourt, in Enugu State, in 2 or arbitrary locations in Enugu State, and the other places, including the new ones you people are conceiving to open in Nnewi. Nnewi is an industrial city. It is no more a town, it is an industrial city. So any good plan to set up a factory, it is a welcome. As Nnewi Chamber of Commerce await to welcome Mathias into their midst, I pray that everything will go as planned. Yes. So I congratulate Mathias. I congratulate Igbo Menana Mathias Ezeaku. I congratulate you all for practicing what you preach. You said you are going to stop church in Nigeria. You said you are going to stop immeping more churches in Nigeria, that you are going to encourage opening of factories in Nigeria among Igbos. You said it and you did it. You said it and you did it. Instead of opening a church, you choose to open factory. You choose to employ thousands of our Igbo youth. I congratulate you. It is not easy for somebody to be talk and do. That is one of the most important value we are missing in this generation. I know that, where people will say something and they will do exactly what they have said. I congratulate you people for successfully seeing to the end of building more churches in Nigeria. I congratulate you people for successfully closing the whole churches in Nigeria. I thank you people for successfully replacing them with 5-star restaurants and hotels, replacing them with skill acquisition centers, replacing them with the oil lubrication plant, replacing them with aluminium fabricating industries, replacing them with electrical manufacturing companies, replacing them with motor manufacturing factories. I thank you people, and I thank Mathias specifically for successfully opening the first indigenous car manufacturing company in Africa. I thank Mathias for being the first person for the first person to open up a factory ebe a na-alụ tiles eji alụ ụlọ. I thank Mathias for opening the biggest scale acquisition center here in Africa. It is not easy. We know what it means. We know what it means for somebody to involve himself in this kind of things. We thank him also for opening the best hospital free, meeting up with the ones at Bill Gates and other people, other big people in the world on our fund. In fact, that hospital, Omepelu, Sona, one of the highest donors to eradication of polio in Africa. After Sir Ezeaku, it is Chief Mathias Ezeaku Pro Max. Because they will Ezeaku na dunu kofia. Onye nke ahụ Ezeaku Pro Max because if one deme ateza deme. So we thank him for opening the best hospitals free. Beat the likes of St. Nicholas Hospitals, Toronto Hospitals, and so many other big hospitals in Nigeria. That hospital beat it, and yet the service is free. If you go there, you will see thousands of people falling on top of each other because they want to get free medical facility. I also thank him for opening one of the biggest NGO that has handled over 100,000 cases of our Igbo brothers. In fact, that NGO beat Bill Gates, who the richest man in Nigeria. O beat here, okay? O beat Obi Jackson. O beat Bishop Ozobo, Ebechukwu Foundation. O beat Ogandoga. O beat many people away na Nigeria, and that even in the world beyond. I thank him so much. Today is the day to appreciate Mathias. Today is the day to appreciate Mathias for redeeming an Igbo from the hands of Ndocha invade by Webutela Hayoka. Mathias will be redeem Wondebai. As we speak today, was any single Igbo man or woman on a joker. As I speak to you today, there is no single church or churches operating in an Igbo today. And he want to take it beyond an Igbo to Nigeria in general. As we speak now, the name Jesus Christ is almost like an abomination when you mention it anywhere in an Igbo. As we speak today, the ways of our fathers has finally returned back to an Igbo. I congratulate them for successfully executing these things within the period of 2-3 years. I congratulate them as they are celebrating the 1-year anniversary of setting up their multiple factories and the acquisition centers in Abuja. They cannot open a branch in Abuja if they have not successfully conquered an Igbo. So they have also conquered an Igbo, and if they have 5 factories in Abuja that they are celebrating 1-year anniversary for, we all know that they have more than 30 in an Igbo here. They have set up these factories in different locations in Ekulobia, in Enugu, in Imo State. In fact, they have these factories scattered everywhere. It is not easy to achieve this within a period of 3 years. So, as they are celebrating their 1-year anniversary in Abuja, I pray that they will set up more factories. They will do more things to show that the message handled against the church is real. And they are doing it. For example, they said they are going to stop opening churches and they are going to start building factories. They are doing that. They said that offering, that why are you collecting offerings? They are not collecting offerings. As a matter of fact, they are even paying their workers more than even government in their own workers. They said that tithe a criminal activity. They are not doing that. Yes, they said that opening church branches instead of opening factories. No nonsense call. They have maybe branches of factories and not churches. They said that evangelism is wasting your fruitful time into something that is irrelevant, and they are not doing that. Every single thing they talked against, they are not doing. They said that crusade is a total waste of time, and they kept to their words. They have never held one crusade one day. crusade going to Kahane hold. Yes, you come to them because they have what you need. So I am congratulating Mathias and his people. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. On our eye go clear. Okay, for anyone, oye mepe. Before na mari ife na eme, ebru na egbu unu. Ebru na egbu unu. Congratulations still. Sunday Abiago, have your celebration. Your CEO and general, your CEO and chairman will be in Abuja to open also new factories while you are celebrating the old ones already. I wish you all the best. Thank you.